Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another 3-Minute Tuesday, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use a sewing machine. First of all, I want to apologize for not putting out a video on Sunday. Things took a bit longer than I thought they would and some things didn't work out. So I want to apologize for that, but straight to the video. To begin, I'm just going to mention that to create stitches, you actually have to have two threads that kind of interweave together. And here's how you set them both up in the sewing machine. To begin, I'm going to place a thread into the spool pin and pull this thread across the machine and towards the thread guide. Then I'm going to pull down into the lever assembly and pull up and down again so that your thread is facing towards your needle. Then pull the thread through the needle so that it feeds out about 4 to 6 inches out the back of your machine. To load what's called the bobbin, this is going to be the second thread that's underneath your needle bed. You're going to have to pull apart your table and you're going to have to open up the door underneath your needle bed. To pull the bobbin cover out, lift the lever and just pull. To load the bobbin, drop it in the case and pull the thread through the slit. Put back the bobbin by aligning the little notch at the top and push it in until you hear a click. Once you've put the bobbin back in, close the cover and turn the hand wheel on the side of the machine until you see the top thread pull out the bottom thread. Once you've done that, you pull out the bottom thread again another 4 to 6 inches out the back of your machine, and you're just about ready to sew. Many machines have a variety of different stitch settings, and you can adjust these based on the various knobs on your machine. You can look on your machine where you have the stitch tightness knob as well as the stitch width knob. You can apply different amounts of pressure onto the pedal to adjust how fast your sewing machine's going, so that'll help when you're first starting out. When you have everything set up, you can put a piece of test fabric into your machine and just see how it goes. If you want a set of stitches that are fairly straight, then you're going to be feeding the machine with the shoe down. And to do this, you're going to have to pull down the lever on the back or side of the shaft, and this will place the shoe firmly against the piece of fabric. What I find super amazing about the sewing machine is that the shoe kind of helps it automatically feed into a straight line, so you don't have to do much work after pressing the pedal. If you're looking to sew into a more unique shape, then you can leave the shoe up and you can stitch into different curves or angles. But for now, I'm just going to stick with this basic straight stitching because I'm pretty new to this as well. This is actually my first time using a sewing machine and I'm still learning, so if I got some of these terms wrong, then please let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys found this helpful at all, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up because it would help me out so much. And if you're interested in my journey in design and fabrication, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel just down below. I'm going to be here posting videos every week, so I'll see you guys then. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.